everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, yesterday it was Musa Mseleku and Macele's 20th anniversary. Messages were pouring in for the polygamist Uthando nesithembo star Musa Mseleku and his first wife umamkhulu Macele after he shared the following heartfelt message. Namuhla indlunkulu umamkhulu Busisiwe Macele Mseleku iqeda iminyaka u20 yaganela kwaMseleku. Siyabonga kakhulu Mandosi Magaye vico kukhulu esikufunde kuwena wena mntana enkosi. uNkulunkulu nethonga izinyanda zezulu zikuhlahlamelise. Thina baseMaselekwini sithokozile ngawe. We humbled by your motherly love and stewardship. Mseleku also posted their pictures besebancane mhla bebopha ifindo lomshado. The couple got married in 2002 and they have children together. When Macele got married to Musa Mseleku, she didn't close the door for other women to marry her husband. Mseleku is also married to Mayeni, Makhumalo and Mangwabe. And guys, he's still searching for number 5. We wish Mseleku and Mamkhulu Macele eminye iminyaka bethokozile emshadweni wabo. Happy 20th anniversary to them. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and let's show some love on the comment section.